TutorBird makes your billing super easy. Let's walk through creating a single invoice. First, click on Families and Invoices from the main menu on the left. Click on the family's name to see their account. Select the Invoices tab and click the New Invoice button. First, select your invoice date. This will appear at the top of your invoice. Next, select what transactions you want to include. Including the previous balance will make sure that any unpaid balance or credit from a previous invoice will roll over onto this one. You can invoice at any interval, by week, month, every 6 weeks, by the term, anything is possible. Setting a due date will indicate to the family when the payment is due. You can set up optional late payment reminders in your business settings. Click Next. Choose the level of detail you'd like to include by selecting the appropriate format. Condensed combines identical invoice items onto a single line. Normal shows each event or lesson on its own line. And Expanded shows everything, including events with no charge, in the invoice. On this page, you can also add a footer that appears on all invoices, add private notes, and select whether you'd like to email your invoices right away or wait until another time. Click Create, and you're done. You've created a single invoice for one family. Thanks for watching, and let us know your questions and feedback by emailing support@tutorbird.com.